Defensive front. Wait.
Shaper stacking from the north.
Keeper stacking ka.
Yo, defend now. Yo, counter northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. And defend now. Defend. Come back.
Shaper on east.
Shaper.
Another one.
Oh, go.
May isa pa sa shaper sa north.
Bam. Northeast. Kala ko kalaban.
They're inching up from the north. They're looking to engage kayo.
You're ready defensive front, okay? Defensive front.
Up. Moving back.
Yo, defend.
Engaging.
Def.
May isa pang engage yan. Another one.
Defend.
Shaper stacking up.
Guys, they're
Shaper
farming
eating
you
up.
one by one. You need to be careful, guys. Please.
Shaper east.
Yo, look north on me. 3, 2, 1. North now. You shoot. Guys, faster than that, please.
Shaper. Another shaper. Careful, another shaper stacking na.
Come back southwest. Defend now. Hold them. Dita, hold them. We're gonna get wiped. Hold them. Yo, ready on me, okay? Wait. Ready northeast. Hold.
Shaper stacking from the northeast. Watch.
Shaper stacking.
Ba't kayo nandyan?
Yo. Ay, naku po, ba't di dinidebuff yung mga shaper? Itong dalawang ano na to, balista. Ayan o. Bastion. Ready yun, nakamark na yun.
Ilot ragot si Rowan. Guys, why are you there? Kana sa northwest.
Inching up. Lungit engage sila. Engaging? No. Engaging na.
Looking to engage from the north. Engage.
I keep
Shaper,
telling you
shaper.
guys. You go southwest.
I'll catch a shaper kaya.
Yo, defend ready, okay? Defend ready. Yo, northeast on me. 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me now. Hit this. Not enough damage again. Go back.
Shaper engage. Shaper east. Shaper east. Shaper north. North side. Shaper. Oh, matras.
Shaper.
Shaper.
Dapat i-full push naman nila to, bay, kung ang alay.
So,
Nakadungog
yeah,
pa ko, ah.
Looking.
Kaya pa sila. Careful. Inching up. They're looking to engage. Engaging now. Shallow. May isa pa engage to. Ayun na, engaging na. No. Not yet.
Yo guys, look north on me. In 3, 2, 1. Deep north on me. It's all of the DPS. Too fucking slow, guys. Defend ready on the choke.
Shaper.
Too fucking slow, guys. That's the best way that we could have done.
Shaper stacking north. Shaper now.
Sayang, laki ng clump yun. Lang
Yo,
engage from the east.
defend. Pagkuha na, pag-keeper na.
Shaper northwest. Narareset ulit ako.
Yo, defend. Yo, northeast on me in 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Headbutt. Hit, guys. Hit. Holy shit. You're just farming us, guys. You don't have any defensives at all. We don't have any demon. Yo, come north.
Shaper from the east.
Come north. Wait. Wait, they're looking. Defend now. Defend ready. Wait, another one. They're gonna come more. Aslamari, or you want me to kick you in the guild or not to kill?
They're looking to engage from the east kaya. They're looking. Spread.
Defend.
Fake.
It's a fake. Inching up.
Yo,
Engage
defend,
up again.
defend,
Bomb squad,
defend,
check for the east.
defend.
Lakas
Grabe,
ka.
bakal, ang bagal ng reaction time.
Well, another one.
Go, defend. Why are you guys there?
Shaper northeast side ah. Shaper northeast side mo.
Yo, come
Shaper,
back.
shaper.
Yo, guys! 3, 2, 1, on me now. Hit me.
Hindi mo patay yung shaper.
Comes out. Go inside. Go inside. Those people who died from nothing. Sino combat loot? Itarin nyo nga ako.
Nasaan ka kay?
Nasa Lord Room ako.
Ito pa yun, nag-loot din.
Guys, hold first. Don't die.
Locate engage sila sa southwest side ah. Sa nakasilip na ano na to. Griffin, G.
They look, they engage from the northwest side. They engage the front. Ba't kayo nandyan pa?
Patay sila Oten.
Ba't kayo
Careful,
nandyan,
east,
pre? Ba't kayo nandyan? Do not hug the wall, guys. Do not hug the wall.
They're engaging from the
Shaper,
north.
shaper.
Shaper stacking from the northeast side, guys. Watch out. Shaper now.
Follow your crown, guys. Follow your crown.
Engage sila sa east side mo. Engage
Looking again from the east.
AFK tong balista. Ay ba?
Come south east
base?
on me. Come south on me.
Engaging ulit sila over the wall.
Come south on me, guys. Follow me.
Engaging sa east.
Wait,
Ayun.
Come at this.
Nag-DC.
Hold. Just hold. Gago, dugay mo kayo makakakuha ng DPS. Hindi ko kayo mag-play nga nindot. Yo, northeast in 3, 2, 1, on the gate, the wall.
Looking for counter. Wait, no.
Shaper
Northeast,
stacking
side.
from the northeast. Shaper stacking.
Another shaper.
Umdikit bike eh.
Nako,
Yo,
spike,
right here.
Wala.
Shaper.
Tanawa
Hello.
ko ni.
Engaging east.
We're gonna engage from the east.
Hindi naman. Ay, si Rachel eh.
Yo, push. Come northeast. Look north. Ditang, look north. Walk in. Ditang walk in.
Oh, that's okay.
Northeast on
Choke to the
me.
east side, King.
2, 1, northeast on me now.
Side
Go
counter.
fucking slow. Go back southwest. Defend now. Full defend now. Go back south.
Shaper looking from the east.
Go back south. Use and double inside. Go back south. Why are we dying? Hold. Come north. Look northeast, okay? Look northeast on my count. Ready. Look northeast on my count, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, northeast on my count. Where's my fucking DPS?
We're looking to engage from the east gate.
Defend ready.
They're looking to engage from the east.
Defend ready. Hold. Walk outside. Ditang walk outside.
East side,
Ditang walk outside. Walk outside and spread. Walk and spread.
East side, kill.
Walk and spread, guys. East side on me in 3, 2, 1. Everything is now. Okay, full push and spread. Full push on the bomb squad, guys. Please. Guys, east on their bomb squad. I'm on the ping east side on their bomb squad, please. Guys, I'm on the ping east. Come south. Nambagal. Walang rigir lahat ha. Tanginan nyo. Look northwest on me. In 3, step up. 3, 2, 1. No. Hit this. And come back south. Defend now. Come back southwest. Hold now. Come northwest on me. Look northwest on me. Ditang go northwest. Ditang walk in northwest. D-Tank walk in northwest. Only D-Tanks and battle mounts. Only D-Tanks and battle mounts. Only D-Tanks and battle mounts. Keep walking. North in 5. North in 4. 3. 2. 1. Everything north. Everything north. Everything north. On me.